G'day guys, it's Tommy here from Raw Blend. It's springtime here in Australia. Things are starting to warm up, so I thought I'd make you a new delicious sorbet recipe. This is my new berry sage sorbet. Today I'm using the Vitamix Ascent A3500i model. This is Vitamix's top of the line household model. Comes in this beautiful stainless steel finish, and it's got lots of great timer features. I'm using the 1.4 litre wet blade container. This is my favorite container size to use on a daily basis. It's perfect for making smaller quantities. So when making an ice cream in the Vitamix, you want to stick to a basic ratio. 1 part soft ingredients to 3 parts frozen. For my soft ingredients, I'm going to be using some natural coconut yogurt, and it goes. So just enough to cover the blade. 1 cup, somewhere about there. I'm also going to put in half a banana. That's going to give it a really nice texture. So the Majul dates will sweeten it up a little bit, and I've pitted them both. You don't want to put the pit in there. You can use any sort of berries you like, doesn't really matter, as long as they're frozen. So I need a frozen element to freeze my ice cream. It's actually going to freeze inside the container in about 30 seconds. So that's about 3 cups of frozen mixed berries. So people might be thinking sage, bit of a strange ingredient to put in an ice cream, but it actually complements the berries really well. It's also very high in vitamins A and C and antioxidants, so it's very nutritious for you. So I'm just going to put a good bit of flavor in there. I want to taste that. So I'm going to lock my lid into place. I'm going to use the tamper. We need to use the tamper when making thick mixtures in the Vitamix. It's going to help to circulate all the ingredients. It's actually got an ice cream setting. It's going to automatically recognize the container size I'm using and adjust the blending time for 35 seconds, which is pretty smart. And then once my ice cream is finished, it's automatically going to switch off. That's it, we're all done. Look how beautiful that looks. Cheers. Absolutely delicious. You get that subtle flavor of the sage in there with the mixed berries. Absolutely delicious. Try this recipe at home. I think you'll like it. If you've got any questions, please feel free to leave it in the comments below. Happy blending.